In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a verification of competency. Now, before I show you how to use the form, which is fairly simple, just want to show you down here in applications, the record keeping system, in document management, one of the forms or one of the procedures maybe that you will use or work instructions that you might use to help with verification of competency. So it's under number 3, instructions by title, and here's some of the instructions here. Okay, I've opened up a couple of examples. Operation of heavy machinery. Okay, and I'll explain where that fits in a minute. So where is the verification of competency form? It's under Start New Training. And there's the verification of competency form. What is verification of competency? It is how you record that your employees are competent at doing certain jobs. So working on machinery and that sort of thing. I'm just going to pause this and fill in some information and we'll go through how it all works. So I filled in the form. This is the employee who's being assessed as competent and the date. And this is the competency I've assessed him in. In this case, it was just driving a tractor. And I've put myself as the assessor today. However, let's say it's a registered training authority. I would put their name in here. And this is the experience or qualifications of the assessor. Now, that might be a certificate that they have or a qualification that they have, or in this case, I'm saying that I've been driving a tractor for 20 years, therefore I am qualified to assess my employee as competent in driving a tractor. How is the competency assessed? You can see here there's a few different ways in which you can assess competency. So that might be a certificate, recognition of prior learning or a training course. In this case, it's on experience and on the job training recognition. Okay. Now, I can also upload any relevant documents that might show that this person is competent. And in this case, I'm going to use those instructions I was just showing you before, operation of heavy machinery work instruction. So I have got my employee to read through this and sign off that they're aware of what is of all this information. So they've signed off there. If I've saved this into the system, I can then upload it into there and I've got my record. Okay, so I submit my form and the next task is simply to complete it. And of course, we click Route, close that and go home. Let's see where the record is. So the record is down here in applications. That's the record keeping area. In training, we entered the form in training, so that's where the record is. And down here is where my verification of competency records are. And there it is. There's today's date, driving tractor. So it's this one here. Okay, and that is how we use the verification of competency.